Alright, so I wanted to show you my garage because this is where I'm going to put, this is going to be my chicken coop, okay? It's got really tall ceiling areas. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a wall from here to behind this refrigerator. The refrigerator's not going to stay here, but I've got a stove and boxes and old doors from inside and my dog's kennels and stuff like that. So what it's going to be is there's going to be a wall here, sort of cattle panels or chicken wire. I'm not 100% sure what we're going to use. I'm not 100% sure what we're going to use yet. But this is the door that I'm going to use. It's from our house and it was broken. It was one of the closet doors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish breaking out all of these little panels here and here and putting some chicken wire or hardware cloth on the other side so that light can come in but the chickens can't get out. And it'll be in the middle here somewhere, probably right in the middle so that it's aligned with the window. And then I'm gonna have a roost over here. I'm gonna build it out of these branches from the tree that we felled, and those are gonna be the bracing parts. And I'm gonna set you right here. So the idea, hopefully, is to attach these horizontally and have a few laid up. So the idea is to attach these horizontally so that they have roosting bars, and they'll be 3 in a row and at more of an angle actually, so that they're not right up on top of each other.